there was a period in time where everyone thought that the Google Pixel Fold was never going to happen. And it got delayed so many times that people just said, nope, they're not coming out with a Google Pixel Fold. Well, they ended up coming out with one. Obviously, we also got a 9 Pro Fold and a 10 Pro Fold. We got 3 generations so far of the Pro Pixel Pro Fold. It's weird because they put the numbers in there. My point is, for the longest time, people thought it was never going to happen. Got delayed way too much. Now the same thing's happening with the iPhone. I think eventually we will get an iPhone Fold. But now, according to Bloomberg, might not be till 2029 or later. So the rumor expectation was we were going to get a foldable iPhone sometime next year. Most likely it's the second half of next year, probably in September, October time period. According to Bloomberg, engineering challenges tied to weight, features, and display technology has pushed its potential debut to 2029 or later. According to people familiar with the matter, it means an iPhone version could come out even later. So, we're not getting a foldable iPhone anytime soon. At this point, it's not too surprising. Samsung has already been named as the company that's going to go ahead and produce the foldable displays for the iPhone, which again isn't surprising because Samsung pretty much produces most foldable displays for most foldable phones out there today. But it just, I don't know. It's one of those things where it's like, it would have been so expensive, and the rumored price tag was $2,000 to $2,500, kind of in that area, which is more expensive than the Z Fold series. It's more expensive than the Google Pixel series. But you look at Apple. Apple just released another edition of the Apple Vision Pro. And that's going to cost $3,600. So I don't think they really care about making their customers spend a lot of money. But again, like I said, there's going to be a lot of hate from it no matter what when it comes out. So I think eventually it will. But I mean, I think a lot of people now are speculating that just like the Pixel Fold, it's not going to happen. And then it happens. And everyone goes, wow, that's crazy. And then the Apple fanboys buy it. And it sells somewhat. I don't know. With that being said, though, I'm so tired of the iPhone Fold rumors at this point. That's why I haven't even covered any of this. There's been rumors left, right, and center. And I've just been kind of keeping away from it because there's really no point at this point. Like, it's just like the Google Pixel Fold. It's going to be the same exact concept. There's going to be rumors that come out. Oh, it's coming out now. It's coming out then. It's coming out whatever. And then there's going to be reports right after that that say, nope, all those reports are false. All those reports are wrong. And then it's going to go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. At this point, 2029, I feel like is probably the more realistic date. But tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. See you guys next one. Peace out.